Alright guys, I want to talk to you a little bit about my smoker and the fuel I use. I use pine pellet bedding, like horse bedding. It looks like this stuff here. This stuff here. I lit this thing. I just opened it up right before I started this, but I lit this thing at 9 o'clock this morning. That's smoking, but it's cool enough in here on top that I can pick it up with my hands. It is, get that in focus, about 8:25 in the evening. So this has been lit for almost 12 hours. Again, this stuff is cool enough in here, you can pick it up with your hands. I've got it thick enough in there. It's warm. That's what you want, nice cool smoke. And if you can pick that material up with your hands, you know that smoke's not overly hot. So, that's it. Tell me what you think.